ColorCuddleTV. Today, we're going on a journey to visit animals in their cozy homes around the world. Let's explore habitats. This is the forest. Tall trees grow close together. It's shady, cool, and full of quiet sounds. The forest is home to many beautiful animals. Under the waves, we find the ocean. It's wide, blue, and full of life. The ocean is a deep, gentle home. This is the desert. It's sunny and warm, with soft golden sand. The desert is dry, bright, and quiet. And we visit the snowy Arctic. It's cold and white, with soft snow all around. This chilly place is a home for animals that love the cold. Let's stop by the pond. It's calm and still with water and plants. The pond is a small home full of tiny wonders. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. ColorCuddleTV.